In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Ads conversion tracking to WordPress. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is go to Google Ads, then go to Goals on the left and Summary, and then you should see a block over here and click on New Conversion Action. Then we're going to choose Conversion for Website. Now we need to add our URL, paste our web page URL, and then scan. And now we can choose, are we going to use a Google tag, or if you have it, are you going to use Google Analytics? And then depending on your region, you'll have the turn on enhanced conversion for your account, as well as the option to add a conversion action manually. And if you do, you'll need to fill out this form. And if you do go this route, you will need to manually add a snippet, which is what we want. So when you're done filling this out, hit done and then agree and continue. And then you should get a snippet that looks something like this. I didn't actually complete the section. Then you want to jump over to WordPress. You're going to go to plugins. And then you just want to search for WP code, or you can use header and footer. It's up to you. And just make sure to install WP code. And then you're going to paste that little snippet that I showed you into WP code. So you'll find it again in plugins, and it'll give you options to put it on either the header or the footer. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.